Hello, I am Lily, and that's Jessie.
Oh my god!
And we will be doing, you're Jessie and I'm Lily, and we're going to be doing the Diet Pepsi Challenge. Here we go. Hopefully it won't explode. And we're starting. 3, 2, 1, go.
You're making me laugh. That's not making me.
Do you just spit that all out on my carpet?
No, it kind of came out my nose.
Okay, don't worry about it right now. Is it okay now?
Oh my god. Beat that. Hey, at least it wasn't a lot. Kind of just got over my leg.
Good.
Ah.
Come on. Swallow. Now you're on a roll. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm just kidding. Do not make it good. Oh, my tummy hurts. Huh? He burped me. Burp me. Oh god, okay, I'm good. He just burped it back down. Do the Harlem Shake.
That's a fake burp.
I know.
Half of those were fake burps.
Mm-hmm. Leave that in.
You're like,
it's like a constipated burp. It's just not coming out. I need to take some Pepto-Bismol for my throat. But it needs to go in the other way, so it comes out the other way. So it needs to go in through my butt. And then I'm like, oh god, you're gonna see it.
are you all done?
No. It's in my pants.